horse and buggy.
Oh yeah.
Might as well go back to the horse and buggy here in Sudbury, though the roads are so bad.
Yeah.
So yeah, see how slow that moped's going there. We'll pass her. I'm surprised this guy's not passing her. Oh, there we go. She's off. Okay, so we can move into the right lane there now. You forgot to check your right blind spot before making that.
I did check.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I didn't see it.
I was like,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. You know what's another good idea for the road test is to wear a baseball cap so that they can see this part here of your hat move when you're checking around.
Actually, yeah, they can see the bill move around.
Yeah.
It's 80 along here, right?
Here it's 90. You can go 90 here.
Just go straight ahead.
Yep. Freezing this morning.
It was freezing, hence why I brought the black sweater, because normally I wouldn't wear entirely black clothing out in incredibly nice weather like this. So, yeah, that's the reason I brought this, and now I feel like I'm going to start burning up in downtown.
It's pretty nice out now, eh?
Oh, yeah. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if by the time we get there, I would need to take a second, pull over, and just take the sweater off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know.
All right.
Let me know before we get into the core, like the downtown core.
Yeah. The heart of downtown.
Yeah. The beating heart of Sudbury.
Oh yeah. Terrible roads and
Zombies.
Oh yeah.
I got a phone call from my daughter last night at about 10 o'clock at night. She was on the road, on the highway, coming here from the Sioux, and she's driving along, and she's calling me. I hope she was using the Bluetooth,
Yeah.
not on her cell phone.
Oh yeah.
And she was asking me how to use her headlights. She wasn't sure if her headlights were on. Like, she wanted to figure out how to, turn the high beams on because she was having a hard time seeing.
Oh wow.
And then she wasn't sure if she had the headlights on at all. She thought she might have been on the fog lights. So I'm like, sweetie, you need to find somewhere to pull over safely and grab the manual so you can figure that out, right?
Yeah, because every car, it's different. Every car.
Every car is different. I don't know what your car does.
Yeah.
She has a 2012 Mitsubishi RVR, which is completely strange to me.
Oh yeah, foreign. Completely.
Yeah. To turn the high beams on in this car, you have to push the stick forward towards the dashboard.
Which stick? The right one?
On the left one, the left side. Go ahead and do that. You'll see a blue light come on. Oh, they have to be on, actually. Yeah. So right now they're on auto.
Yeah.
And if you twist the knob all the way up, that'll turn your lights on. Go ahead and try that while you're driving, because this is good practice. You're watching in front of you and everything. Twist it right up.
Oh yeah.
And now push the stick forward, and you'll see a blue light come on. Actually, it was already on.
Yeah.
And to turn it off, you pull it back towards the steering wheel. There, that turns your high beams off, and your headlights are on. In her car, I looked it up. It's the opposite way. You got to pull it back and let it go, and that turns your headlights, your high beams on. And then to turn them off, you just click it back like that again. So yeah, I was worried that she was driving in the dark. And then she asked me, well, Like, can I keep my high beams on when I'm on a highway with a ditch, like right here, like a ditch between the two sides of the road? Will I blind anybody coming from the opposite direction? And it's possible that they could aggravate somebody's vision. So it's probably best to turn them just on your regular headlights, even though there's a width between you, but you need to turn them off. You need to turn your high beams off if a car is like 150 meters away. When they get 150 meters away, you got to turn them off. And
I should be able to make this. Yeah,
potentially.
Yeah, I can definitely make it now.
Yeah. And then there's if somebody behind you at nighttime is following you, and the high beams, somebody left their high beams on and it's bothering your eyes, do you know what to do?
If someone's high beams are on and they're bothering you?
Yeah, this mirror, like you can see it in the mirror, right?
Pull over and let them pass or something?
You can go like this. You push this forward.
I see.
And it dims the lights behind you.
Oh, wow.
That's for night driving.
That's really convenient.
That's for daytime driving.
That's real. I didn't even know cars could do that.
That's why I showed you. A lot of people don't know that. There, so you're in an 80 zone there now.
Alright. This guy gonna... what's going on? Okay. Bit of a jam going on way up front, actually. Oh, there's like a big truck, yeah.
Somebody's going well under the speed limit.
Well, I'm not comfortable with myself to try and overtake and pass, so I'm just gonna stand right here.
Yeah, because if you tried to pass these cars here, you'd probably end up having to go 100, 105 to get past them, so that'd be way over the speed limit.
You're still going straight ahead, right?
Yeah, straight ahead. Okay, with these cars coming off the ramp, let's go ahead and make a left lane change so we're being courteous that way.
Yep.
A little safer rather than get sideswiped.
Oh yeah. 60 begins right about here.
Yeah.
Kill for something like this to happen all the time. Every single time there's a red light, the moment we start pulling up to it, it turns green and they start going forward again. Instead of having to come to a full stop every time. My mom hates that so much.
Has she ever driven a transport?
No, she has not.
Because I know the transport drivers hate that too, man.
Oh yeah.
It takes a long time
It's bad
to get
on the
going.
engine too, like I've heard. Like
Yeah.
you mentioned before, it's like it's not good for the car to constantly be going forward and stopping like that.
Yeah, and it puts it wears your brakes down quicker too, so transport drivers try to time everything so they preserve the life of their brakes and their engine.
Yeah.
And they get all the green lights as many as possible.
Me here, I'm just getting lucky.
No, look at that. Getting all the green lights here. And okay, when safe, we'll move into the right lane. That time I saw you turn your head.
Oh yeah. You saw my hair whip around.
Yeah. I don't have that problem.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not long enough.
Yeah, not a while ago I was thinking about getting a buzz cut, but then I realized to myself, I was like, okay, yeah, you know what, maybe I don't want to get a buzz cut, so
Right.
yeah, I'm growing it out. Like I said, I want to try, because this hair with it for once. So I'm gonna keep growing it out until I can do it into like a bun.
I've had the same hairstyle for probably 30 years, 20 years, 30 years. But my hair was that long ago when I was your age.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Every teenager's always got some luscious, gorgeous hair that they try to take care of.
Back in the 80s, the mullet was the popular thing, so...
Still kind of, actually, it's kind of like... It's
Come back, eh? Yeah, I noticed that.
Honestly, it's
funny.
I kind of like it. It is a good haircut.
History repeats itself.
Oh yeah, in a good way. Not
Right. Got a good following distance here, about 3 seconds or so. This following distance also allows you to scan the surface of the road for any potholes.
Yes.
I don't understand.
Good reaction to it.
Yeah, exactly. You can notice it and do something about it. I don't understand why people follow so close and then they hit all the potholes, right? And they can't see them.